Hello everybody and welcome to the third part of the Verilog tutorial series. In this part, it's going to be very short. I'm just going to show how to launch the code, show what a commenting is, and everything else you'll see on the code. So basically we'll open the Vivado here. I already opened the project. I guess it's really easy to do that, so I'm not going to go over that. So what do we see here? Commenting, so it can be done using this lines right here. Basically what makes is code becomes unreadable for the machine after you comment it, but it's very useful to indicate what does code do, what are different elements for. So it's a very good practice, so practice as much as possible doing this. It will help you and will help others who are reading your code. There's also a function for the multi-line comments. It is very useful in case you writing a big description or you need to take out the chunk of code really fast, like this for example here. Yeah, see, really easy to include. And then in case if you need to remove that, just like this. So I've written a very simple code here. We have input and output. Basically I1 is the button and output LED1 is basically the LED, the lamp on the board. I'll show later in the video how this would work. And we basically tell the machine to assign the input from the button to the LED. So if you push the button, the lamp is gonna light up. As simple as that. And of course end module to signify that this is where our code ends. So from here on, let's see sources. We need to go to the constraints file. We have it right here. Very small. I'll try to explain as simple as possible. Here. So we have those properties, or so to say, for the XDC code are on the website of the Real Digital. You can find them on the home page, and basically you just copy them to the Word, and if you need it, just use them. So for this board, I have these components, and for example, I signify button 0 to be the input I1, and LD0, which is basically the first LED on the board, to be the output LED1. So from here on, we just, as soon as we write both of them, we just need to click the generate bit stream. It's going to do the synthesis, the implementation, and because I already have it done, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to open my hardware manager and connect to the board. It takes a while to connect. Okay, then we just have to do the program device. It will show you the bitstream file. We're compiled. Just hit click, and from there on, the code is going to be compiled on the board. And I'll show what it does in next moment. So as the code being compiled and uploaded to the board, this is what happens when we push the button. See? We push the button, it makes it on. Don't push it, it turns off. Pretty simple.